afternoon everyone. 24th today, Saturday, 24th of March. Absolutely beautiful run up the road today. Heading into Livingston. I'm not on double deckers today. I wasn't sure what I was doing, to be honest. I just knew Scotland was my destination. So yeah, single, normal trailer today. 26 pallets, all for Tesco's Livingston. And I have to say it's been a lovely drive up here. It's like, it doesn't even feel like work today. It's been so nice. I've had a right few days with a bear. My daughter ended up in hospital, so God, spent a birthday was yesterday and spent it in hospital, unfortunately. So I got her out last night, got her to ours, and she stayed with us last night and feeling a lot better today. But unfortunately she picked up a bug and she couldn't stop being sick. She's insulin dependent diabetic since she was a baby, so that causes no end of problems. Those who are aware of diabetes will know what I mean, but those who aren't, it knacks the sugar levels up. And basically Stacey ended up being far too high. Her body was reacting and she had a thing called ketones, and that's sugar in your urine basically. Yuck. I know. Hope you're not having your breakfast or dinner or tea. But it took them quite some time to get it back on track. So obviously yesterday I was off and good to go in today, and boy am I glad. It's been quite a week with my brother being over for his best friend's funeral and us being there for that. Look at this pillock. That's a Range Rover. There you go. Sensors are quite sensitive today for some reason. I did clean them all. I cleaned all the windows and the mirrors and everything else. I even give the sensors a wipe, but as soon as you're anywhere near stopping, it's just go beep 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 beep. 1 o'clock start today. I got my truck. My card was in for 20 to 1, which was fine. Trailer was ready. Not sure what I'll be doing after this one. I'm off tomorrow because I've got 5 off the bounce next week, doing double deckers every day. Yeah. I'm just short of a mile to the traffic lights, heading on 720. This moves quite quick though. Very well sort of like time. They've got it spot on the timing for these, I think. And in the night time, all the cat's eyes light up, and the sort of keeps you in the line that you're meant to be. I see what I mean. As soon as I start slowing down, it's just go beep. Pain in the ass, man. Anyway, it's been such a while since I've been on this side. I've been double deckers for the last fortnight. I'm sure they've got everything back on track now after Mother's Day and the snow and everything like that. We shall see. Fellow in front having a little drift around there. Your phone down, son. There's a good lad. Okay then, so I shall catch you later on. Well, that was a 40-minute turnaround. That's from getting on the bay and back in the truck after being unloaded full 26 pallets. Good going that, I tell you. That's how it normally is when you go in there, when you're pulling, well, especially +3. That's how efficient they normally are, but when they got swamped in the snow and whatnot, then it's a different story. But definitely back to how I know them. Spot on. And when I phoned up the office, yeah, I'm done. I'm not 100% sure what I've got to do, so I was expecting going over to the west coast and coming down that way after picking potatoes up from over there. Can you tell I'm sort of like skipping round the name where I normally go to Ayr, I think, or Airdrie. I just keep forgetting, I'm so sorry. But he said there is a trailer to be swapped out in Drysdales, but he's not sure if it's for me. Just head down that way, and before I get to Drysdales, pull in, give him a ring, and we'll see if it's for me. If it is, it's just a straight swap, no bother at all. Unfortunately, it's going to be 7 o'clock, it'll be dark, because I was going to do a full Bifta trailer drop and swap video for you. I've not done a proper one. The nights are coming in nice now though, so I will do very soon. I'll do one with a 360 camera and also with this camera, so you got the best of both worlds. Right, you know I'm on the M8, I'm sure. About 3 miles away from joining the 720 towards the A1. It's 48 miles to Drysdales from here. So all techno enough for ya. Right. See you down the road. I just rang them there to see if I had Drysdales trailer swap. Nothing. Just head straight back. So what an easy day. What a lovely run. Sometimes you get them.